All right, hey everybody, how you guys all doing out there today? Sorry for the very short notice. I do want to get caught up just really quick on what we got going on. Sorry, I've been just super busy, everybody. All right, so listen, we are so close to filling my gap here, right? Hey, Peak, how you doing, brother? Aren't you supposed to be sleeping, Peak? I think Peak was tying one on tonight. So we are so close to filling this gap right here. We're super close. Listen, I want to fill the gap. There, there, there it is. We're gonna go check it out. We've got super close to it, and we're gonna go see what we got going on here with some of our signs and what's the haps. All right, so let's go over here. Actually, let's take a look. And oh, you know what I want to do is I want to add the Gap-O-Matic on here. Faves, there we go. There, come on, load up. All right, there it is. And still do not have the gap filled, right? The gap is not filled. We are so close there. Uh, you know, Peak, listen, if there was one man on the planet who I'd want to fill my gap, it would be you, big boy. All right, it would be you, big daddy. Let's take a look. Here's our monthly bear cross. Listen, I'm still playing this bear cross. Still playing this bear cross. Still playing this 7MA right here, okay? Want to see us break out of this 7MA. To break over this 7MA, it'd be very bullish, 4,540. And we're still in this wedge right here. We're still locked up inside the wedge. We are, what, today's like the 7th or 8th or something like that. Time is cruising. But there's their 7MA. That 7MA is still parked right there at 4,500 and chilling. We still got that bearish cross just started. It's only 7 days old. Still playing. Still got to be careful of this thing. Better respect this. Trust me, I am. Taking a look over here on our 3-day chart. There's our short call on the 3-day. One of the things I was saying is you got to be very careful because this looks very similar to this first failed top over here. You got the short call. You came up, popped up just a little bit yonder, and then you got the big dumpy dump out right there, okay? So, you know, you're much easier. You could still kind of count that A, B, C right there, and, you know, really funky C for this long leg up, A, B, C for that leg up right there. This is real funky. This is kind of ending up to be like an A, B, C, D, E, a wedge right here. So this is playing out a lot differently than this is playing out. But once again, we did get the short call, so I am playing the short call. I have learned my lesson, but I also know that you got to be careful. There's that pesky extra run up, that little pokey poke run up for that, right? For that little extra top, and then the price action dies out. Now, if you take a look over here, look at a lot more volume was clustered up over here. Look at this, is lots of jet fuel, right? We had a lot of jet fuel over here, and this is still a bearish. Look at this, bearish. This is bearish, you know, and I have some people, and I see this. I see this inverted head and shoulders right here. Inverted head and shoulders plopping up right here. And yeah, this does look like a nice little inverted head and shoulders. I am going to drop a couple things in the members chat for this to watch this. But here's the thing. This is the inverted head and shoulders here. This is where you wanted this to play out. Okay. This is, yes, this looks like an inverted head and shoulders, but I don't like this. Well, I mean, this to me would look like a better cup and handle possibly breaking out right there. Possible. You know, I really don't like it. This kind of screwed that up. This would have been better if it would have been just been a long swooping bull and then come up. Now I know a lot of people are playing this as an angel, an Adam and Eve bottom. I still don't like that either, right? You know, I wouldn't mind this being in some kind of cup and handle. Come up here, tap out on the 50MA, and then just, you know, get the socks knocked out on this, right? Dude, just kind of tap up a little on top of that short, just like we did right here. We did the same thing on the longs also. You got to watch those long calls. So as we move into this, I just want everybody to be aware that this is still kind of building up to be a little bit similar. What I don't like is I just don't like this volume. The volume is just, it's just kind of taking a shit. I mean, it really is. Listen, we're about to close out the weekly here. right? We're about to close out the weekly, and I want to go over and take a look at that weekly volume. So let's cruise along. Oh, let's put that chart back to where it was. There we go. Okay, scoot that bad boy up over there. All right, let's. There's our Gap-O-Matic. It's still delayed. 3-day chart not helping us. Big wedge chart, right? I wanted to see this here. I was counting this as an A, a B, and a C right here. You do have your, this could still. This is still what I'm looking for. Still looking for that pattern to play out there. Yes, just kind of bumping into a bunch of fibs right here. Look at that. We hit the 236, the 618. The vamp fib is right above it. So we are running into a whole bunch of fibs right there. We just slammed into a bunch of fibs. Slammed into an overhead fib wall. Right? So we just slammed into that overhead fib wall right there. No reason we can't break out of it, but I'm going to move on. All right, so let's see what we got here. Ooh, let's start moving things around right here. All right, we're going to scoot that over there. We're going to scoot that there. Scoot that over there. Just going to move all these. Let's get everybody adjusted. There's that 200. There's the dailies cruising. All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to just browse through here for crosses. I don't see any bullish crosses. We had that 12-hour right there. That already played out a couple candles ago. Still in action. Look at all our support. Look at all the support. 38.82, 38.77, 38.68, 38.33. So look at, we have a lot of support right below us now with that 7MA. So that 7MA is stacked up. Next run down, let's see, we got 38.40. And really it just goes right down to 3,800 is kind of, so look, 38.18, 38.17, 3,800. That's really the next level of support. So we really go from, really, it's 3,800 that's got to catch us, okay, for right there. So we'll just kind of take this. All right. All right, so, and then let's pop over to the higher time frames. Move some things around. The good thing about this, you don't have to move as much. And nothing, nothing, nothing. Up a little. Right there, right there. All right, 3870, 3,800. So listen, it's 3,800 that really has to hold. 3,800 has to hold for the bulls. Right, you break 3,800, and then you're really just going to start marching right down to 3,700, right? 3,700, 3,700, 36 and change. So, like, I don't see anything, like, there's just nothing. Now, remember, on the top side, there's just not a lot above this. There's nothing, right? There's no real moving averages up above this to stop the price action from moving. Just that simple, all right? Let's go ahead. Oh, kind of. So our Bollinger Band over here in the 12-hour, oh, yeah, opening up a little bit. Still haven't got a move, still kind of tight. Ooh, look at this. The daily is tightening up. The daily's getting tight, tight like a tiger. All right. Nothing's changed there, nothing's changed there. Okay, let's take a look. 3,800, 3,850. All right, same thing. So all the Bollinger Bands. Let's look for our top side, though. So our top side, 3928, 4K, 4K. BBs, same thing. 3800 needs to hold. Top side R equals, what are we, 30, basically 3928, and then 420, 4020. So then you got 4020. Let's pop over, take a look at our next level. Ooh, look at a nice move. There's a 12-hour. So here's our Bollinger Band, this is our Gauss trend lines, roughly 3800, and no man's land. Oh, we popped up on top of that bad boy, 3870, and 3-day has us over also. So look, 3800's got a hold. Same thing. So this just tells us the same exact thing. 3800's got a hold, but look, there's nothing above 41. The only thing you got above you is 4180. So the Gauss trend line has just the 4180 above it, right? Gauss, same thing, 3800 is support. And top side R equals 4180. Okay, 4180. We're pretty much just cruising over there, no man's land. Still looking. I was looking at this Head and Shoulders. Oh, looky, 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 looky. Get a cookie, right? Trying to break out right there. Perfect. This is good. This is good. This is exactly like it was back in 2014, making that little bitty run right there. All right, making that run. And stretch this out. Okay, don't need that. Don't need that. All right. MACD, 12-hour bullish again. Right? And then the 3-day, still that, what is it? So we have a lower PA, higher MACD, like 2014. 3940, 3940-ish. So we tested the 30. Yeah, Peak's been looking at that 89 MA. It's very interesting. I'm gonna have to pull that bad boy up and check that out. Ooh, you know what I haven't found? Okay, I want to go back, and this is what I want to see. All right. All right, there's our weekly right there. Take a look at our weekly. It is Saturday. It is Saturday at noon UTC time. So we've got roughly Sunday 36 hours left. We've got 36 hours left. So we have 36 hours. Oh, that's not what I wanted. I put the wrong chart up. Yeah, I'm going to have to take a look at that. The 89 EMA. All right, weekly volume. We have 36 hours left. Let's pull this down. 3-day, 2-day, daily. Boy, half a day left. Daily volume. Not looking good so far. 12 hours left. Well, 11 hours left. 11 hours left. Take a look at the weekly. Yes, I will. I'll definitely get over to that for sure. I wanted to check the 12-hour. 12-hour shit volume, like shitty volume. Oh, monthly Stoke. Okay, I don't know if I have the monthly. I know I have the weekly. All right, daily. I want to take a look again. We're on a 5. All right. See the monthly so far. Oosh, monthly's not looking good. All right, we'll take that back to weekly. All right, so let's cruise along. Getting close to a bullish trade. We're coming into the rejection zone though. This is what's always, this is I like the very super important people's. Like, listen, this is serious stuff right here, okay? Trend line, especially this trend line, super importante. Right, that's at 4K, we're literally at 4K right there. And then the top of this wedge is 41.58. So 4K top side, all right. Trend lines 4K and 41.58. All right, so hold on, 4K wedge 41.58, and then top trend line is at 42.77. 42.77. All right. It still looks like a big ass fucking head and shoulders. Ah, that just looks like a big ass head and shoulders on the RSI right there. Probably wrong, but followed that trend line really nice, that's for sure. That was really nice. Right, kind of looks like a head and shoulders. Kind of a sloping H and S. RSI. Yeah, I know. I gotta put it on. You're right, Skater. You're right, buddy. I do. I have to change that. I've been lazy. Hit a trend line. Come right back up to that. I don't think, yeah, we did hit it again. Look, we hit that thing again. Yeah, Peak, he's just saying I got to change it on the video, on the information in the video, and I do. I totally got to do it. Yep, Peak. Look at that. Hit a weekly. That was a weekly we hit right there. Didn't quite hit the 236 though. Oop, I do need to move this. Let's slide everything down. All right, ran into a weekly R. So we ran right into a weekly historical resistance. And still haven't hit that 236, right? We still, that's I would like to hit that 236 right there. That'd be nice. Bang that 236 and or come back up and test that monthly. No reason not to. All right, there's that trend line. That's your secondary trend line again. Take a look. All right, this is our 2018 trend line. 18. Resistance is 41.25. All right, 41.25. Let's get rid of this. Okay, look at the ADX. Take a look at the daily ADX. That's breaking bearish. So the daily ADX is breaking bearish. That's weird. It's breaking bearish while the price is going up. Okay, the bull and the bears are both on a support and or resistance line at the same damn time. Right, so look, you got this is a resistance line, boom, boom, so you've got, everybody's hitting the resistance line exactly at the same time. Weekly still rolling bearish, still putting in that head and shoulder in the WMA. This is the MBT chart, fucking unbelievable, what a run. I mean, seriously, like this is the look at this run right here. Like look at the price action right there, right? Like when you get a run like this on this, this is massive run right here. Huge run. And we're getting nothing. We're just sideways. Like this huge higher high. And we're a lower PA, lower price action. Right? Nothing tells us any move we made right now is it's not a move. Like even that bullish move that we just had, that bounce and then that pull back up was fucking completely bullshit. Completely bullshit. Right? So we're going to put that in there. This, the last little pump and dump was complete. BS. It was nothing. It was a whole bag of nothing chips. Right? It was nothing chips. All right. Ooh. Okay, bullies. Bullies. Oh, Jesus. What the fuck? What the fuck? Look at the RSI. The fuck is this? There's no way. I see it going up. I see it going up. It's gonna fucking finally. Come on, you can close it. Close it. Come on, you can do it. Close it. Close it. Close it. Oh, don't fuck. That is so wrong. That is so wrong. All-time low. Man, every time we've gotten this low, whew. All right, look at that. Okay, so here's what I want you to look at. Look at this, that, and that. 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 So you get the pink trend line on the longs, right? And then you had pump, then sideways to dump. Now, all right. This thing's gonna bounce off here. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. And there's only two ways to get this baby to bounce. Either we're gonna fall out of the fucking sky right here. I mean, we're likely to fall out of the fucking sky. Or we're just gonna pump and it's gonna go crazy. And the last time we pumped, right? Do you guys remember that? Last time we had that pump with the super, super high longs and we pumped out of there. That's how we cleared out all those longs. That was a pump. What was that? That was sideways. There's your weekly RSI, your weekly Stoke, just insane. Your weekly histogram, insane. Look, higher high, lower low price action. All these are super high and nothing's changed on that chart at all. Ooh. Hit the 6, had the dump, recovered. 6 dump recovered. No, nothing. Let's go back. Fucking bitch. Alright, where you at? Where's my Gap-O-Matic at? I think I got it over here. Give me a second, peoples. Oh, shoot. Sorry, super important chart I missed. There it is. That's the one I want to see. Ah, that's what we wanted to see. There it goes. Remember, we wanted. This is exactly what we. You're right. This is exactly what we wanted to see. This is exactly what we've been watching for. Ooh, and the 3-day. Oh, this is good. It's exactly what we wanted to see. Like we just said that. Like there's this. Boom. There's that pump. There's that pump. There's that pump. It's doing it. I likey. Right? I likey. Oh, that's good. Come on. Come to daddy. Two-day TDI we have been watching. Yep, there is the green move up just like 2014 and 2015. Nice. No, I am done. I am going to sleep here soon. I haven't slept yet, guys. It is 5 o'clock in the morning. It is 5:19 a.m. Right, I am going to bed ski bye skis. All right, and then Yep, 3-day. 3-day TDI, just like 2014. Do, do, do. Okay, so this right here shows the TDI. This is the TDI indicator. And what this does, these are Bollinger Bands on the top side and the bottom side. Those are the blue lines. The yellow line is the mean line that runs down the center. So if you go all the way back, so we're going to go all the way back 2015. So you can see a pattern that evolves, right? You can see this pattern. Here, let me get rid of these damn. So there's a pattern that plays out. So you see, look, dump there, you see that right there? So take a look. So like the last few times, and this is Baby Bull Jesus right there. That's Baby Bull Jesus. Okay? It's like your green line is about to make the second break. You're literally at the freaking you're right at the Bollinger Band, the topside Bollinger Band, right? You've already broken out of the Bollinger Band once. Like breaking out of that Bollinger Band is like some serious bullish crap, right? I mean, like that's some serious bullish stuff. So you see, you broke out there, you broke out there, you broke out there, right? You broke out there, you broke out there, and you go all the way back to Baby Bull Jesus. And you've got two things that happen. So here was basically you broke out here. This was the beginning of the bull run, basically right there. So there's the beginning of your bull run, and then this was your fall all the way back. This was your second fall, your second retest of the 200 MA. So this one fell all the way down and retested your 200 MA on the weekly, right? So that's what that did. And let's go find out, where is my 200 MA on the weekly. It is, Jesus, there it is. 3380, right? 200 MA on the weekly is 3389, okay? So that's important because what happened is this fall right here went down and retested the 200 MA. So if we get rejected right here, we're going to dump all the way down and we're going to touch that 200 MA one more time like we did. Now, if that does and that holds, you know, that would show that we would have really, really a bullish, that would be very bullish to bounce off that hard, just like this swooping run right here, okay? But like here we are, we just tacked it, so you ran into the top of the Bollinger Band, came back around, swooped it, but look at how this is running together. Look at how both these lines run together right here. They did it again right here. So there you go. So they run together right here on that second little top, first top, right there it is. First top, second top, run together, fall out. First top, second top, run together, fall out. We're doing the same exact pattern right here. Our first top, second top, run together, and then they'll fall out. Now, how high we can get up here, that's still a good question, because you want to close this candle out first and then start your dump, right? That's what happened. Those things, they have to close this candle out. So what we need to see is, we want to see this candle close. Peak, anybody know when the 3-day candle closes? Right? We want to see the 3-day candle close before the dump. Right? Anybody know? Anybody know when the 2-day candle closes? Anybody? All right. Maybe not. Maybe not goes. Right? I'll write that in there. We want to see the 3-day candle close before the dump. Yeah, it's filled on the higher time frames, not filled on the lower time frames. I got to take a look really quick. Hey, Bogdan, hi, March 11th. Okay, so March 11th, is that UTC time? Is that March 11th UTC? Oh, fuck. Seriously? 3 more days? Close on Monday? Fuck. Oh, that sucks. All right, so we can just keep moving higher. I mean, there's no reason we can't you know, move higher, go sideways at least here. Rats. All right. And, oh, sorry, I'm tired, people, sorry. All right, let's get that all back over there. And, okay. Okay, and I want to go over to check this. Where's my Gap-O-Matic? My freaking Gap-O-Matic. I gotta put the Gap-O-Matic on one of these charts. Which one? I think it's right over here. I think I already have it on here. Yeah, there it is. Nope, 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 no Philly. This'll tell you. Don't be like that. Come on, fill that freaking gap. All right. All right. All right. So let's make our adjustments. I mean, it's pretty much the same. I mean, there's not much. There's not much to change here. Right, I don't have much to change. Let me go back. Now the Gap-O-Matic will fill it. I'll see it filled on the Gap-O-Matic. Okay, let me check my trend. I think my trend lines moved down. Yeah, I think so. My first trend lines moved down to 4K. I'm sliding this over. No trolls. Okay, I don't think it's that. $33 is our target down there. How's it perfect, huh? I had that baby right there. All right, so 3,800 is really our line in the sand to hold, so we're going to pull that way. And get rid of that. So basically we got to get through that right there before we can go down. Okay, let me take a look at my top lines here. Give me a second. $41.25. It's got $41.25. And then the daily Gauss. Right. Then our oh shoot, the wedge. I'm sorry, the wedge is 41.58. Trend line number 2 is 41.25. Yep, 41.25. So this is the 2018. The dog is awake. Yeah, 41.80. Yes, Doc. My dog is awake. Oh, come on. A dog's like, you need to take me potty right now. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, we're done. All right, let's snap this bitch. There we go. Yeah, he needs to go wee wee. The dog definitely's like, you need to take me potty. Dog's like, I'm not kidding. I will cut you. My dog's like, I will cut you. Nope. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Oh shit. Get rid of that. That worked. That worked. Let's do that one more time. Ooh, should I put a timeline on there? Like I think move sideways and dump in 3 days, right? Like we could do it. Look, do something like that. Here we go. So 33.89. A dump. Oh, thank you, Peak. Give me 1 second, brother. I think a dump after the 3-day candle closes on Monday, right? Jeez, you think we can make it all the way to Monday? Sure it's Monday? God, are you sure? This is a 3-day chart. That's a lot of volume for just starting a brand new candle. Yeah, March. You sure it doesn't close tomorrow? 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11. That's a big fucking candle for one day. 8. Yeah, I like it. I like it, Peak. That looks good, buddy. Okay, so midnight Sunday, the candle closes. Okay. So midnight Sunday. Because I want to make sure I have my shit right. So that is 36 hours, right? 36 hours from 9. ICO project to make a candle close indicate. Yes, seriously, that's a good idea. Okay, everybody, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. I'm not going to do any other alts or anything. I did do some alts in the members area, but yeah, just kind of watching. All right, and 34 hours from now. All right, perfect. Okay, cool. As long as we're all on the same page. All right, so 34 hours from now will be right here. Right here. Actually, I'm going to take it off here. I want it here. There we go. All right, that's it. Awesome. Thank you all so much. Thank you, Peak. Thank you all for being here. Appreciate it. Thank you for the quick secret session. Sorry I had to bombard in here. It is 5:43 in the morning. That is it. I am the Vamp. We would like to say thank you so much. We are from Trading Associates, and we have been killing it. It's been tons and tons and tons of fun. That's it. If you guys have any questions, Peak is the man, the myth, the legend, here to help you out. And I am out.